Good morning, class. Would you like to know how to make your stuffed animal dance? Would you? Because I've got a great way you can do that. If you wait to the end of the video, I will show you. You want to make your stuffed animal do a jig? Come back at the end of the video. Don't go away. Pay attention, or you might miss out on the secret. All right, remember this chart? These are called special sounds. I know we've talked about these lots of times. Every day we've drilled these for months and months. But we're going to talk specifically about the yellow special sound chart. You know all of these sounds. You know all of them. And you may hear my daughter playing the violin in the background, but just consider yourself serenaded. That means somebody playing for you. Say these with me, okay? K in duck, E in me, O in go, I in fly, A in pray, st in stop, pull in plane, fur in frog, tur in train, sh in ship, th in thick, the in this, bull in block, coal in clock, full in flake, and gul in glue. Those are all the special sounds that you're supposed to be looking for on your papers that you're doing at home. Some directions say mark the vowels. Other directions say mark the special sounds. So make sure that you're following directions. Most of your directions on your paper will say mark the special sounds and then mark the vowels. You want to do both, okay? So we're going to take a quick look at these words. We're going to look at each one. And the first thing you want to do, class, before you mark the vowels, listen, before you mark the vowels is to find, like a secret detective, every special sound. So right here we have full at. We know FL is the sound for full and flake, so we're going to circle it. All right, we're only going to circle our special sound, and then we'll come back and do our vowels. Here's our next special sound, gull and glue. Remember that one? Gull and glue. Then we're going to circle our next special sound, st and stop. All right, now you may say, well, there's no special sound here. Actually, there is. Remember this one? I and fly. This is the same thing. I and fly. So this is going to say I. So when you read this word later, it will be I, my. All right, there's two here. There's fur. Remember fur? It's right here. Fur in frog. Fur, F-R. So we're going to circle fur in frog. However, we also have A-Y. A in pray. A in pray. So we need to circle that A-Y. So we have two special sounds together. It's fur, A. Fray. Here you have a B-E and you say, oh, that's just a soft sound. No, 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 no. Remember, when E stands alone in a word, it can sometimes say E and me. And here we have E all alone at the end of a word by itself, so it's going to say E and me. So we're going to circle that. Instead of marking it, we're going to circle it because it's a special sound. E and me. And here we have the word me. There's another E for E and me. Okay? Oh, there we did this one above here, remember? The I in my is the same thing here. The I for by. Remember this one? I in fly. I in by. I in my. Now, we've done this whole row. You've done really, really well. We've done this whole row, but now we're going to go back and we're going to mark the vowels. Now, if it is circled, we're not going to mark that. If it has a circle around it, we're not going to mark it. Can you say that? If it has a circle around it, we're not going to mark it. If it is a special sound, we do not mark those vowels. We pretend like those special sounds are all gone. So here we have the A by itself. So we're going to say that it has its happy short sound. It's soft sound. What's that sound say? Ah. So let's read the whole word. Full. At. Flat. Have you ever read the book Flat, Stanley? I need to find that and read it to you. That is a funny book. Flat. Here we have our next one. Goal. I'm sure you hear Jenna. She's playing a fun song out there. All right. This is an A all by itself. If it's all by itself, it says it's short, soft sound. What's it say? A, gull, ass, glass, glass. Here we have an A by itself. We're going to mark it short, special, soft sound. Fast, fast, fast. Now, do we mark any vowels here? Well, no, there's not a vowel to be had. And this Y says I. We've already said that was a special sound. So let's say this word. I, my. Here we have two special sounds. Fur, a, fray. We already read that one a little earlier. Fray is when something's kind of torn on the edge. B, E. That special sound is E. Now, are we going to mark that with a long sound? No. Are we going to mark it with a soft sound? No, because it's a special sound. It gets no vowel markers. It's special. We're going to circle it to let us know it's special. B, E, B. Be my best friend. Here we have the same thing. E, me. Will you be a best friend with me? Now, real quick before we do this other row, we better do something fun. So get you a piece of paper. If you need to pause it, pause it. But get you a piece of paper. Got it? Okay. I want you to take your pencil. If you got to pause this, now pause it. I want you to do all the activities Miss Parris does. I want you to take a pencil, and I want you to draw some kind of squiggle line on here, okay? Let's see. I'm going to do a squiggle like this. That's my squiggle. Oh, you can't really hardly see it, can you? Let me see if I can make it a little darker for you. My squiggle line. I have a cup of pens I always keep on my table. Okay, there's my squiggle line. Now, what could my squiggle line be? That is your job. Did you just make a squiggle on your paper? Okay, I made a squiggle on mine. And I'm going to make something out of my squiggle. I have no idea what I'm going to make at the moment, but I'm thinking right while I talk to you, what can I make out of that squiggle? Have you made a squiggle? All right. Well, I want you to make something out of that squiggle. Okay? Miss Parris is going to make something out of my squiggle, and I want you to make something out of yours. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start. And it could be something silly. Mine's going to be silly. I'm going to make a monster out of mine. It's good when you're home alone a lot and you don't have all your pals around to think of something fun to do. Something you don't normally do. You can get mom and dad to make a squiggle for you. Say, Mom, Dad, make a squiggle for me on paper so I can make something out of it. And then I'm sure they would do it. Make yourself a funny thing out of it, okay? Make it a little happier. We had. No. What do you think I'm making? I'm making a silly monster, and I think I'm going to make my silly monster say something silly to you. See, it's opening its mouth. It's going to say something silly. What are you going to say to my little friends at home? You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. That comes from Sylvia the Silly Monster. Oh my, she's got lips now. Should we give her a little tongue in there? Y'all doing a great job. That's what she's saying. Yes, y'all is. I think she needs some polka dots. Maybe she's a frog face. You think she's got kind of a frog-looking face? Now, have you made anything out of yours? Have you made anything out of your funny little thing? What'd you make? Maybe you can get Mom to text Miss Parris and tell me what you make, or even show me your picture of your silly whatever it is you made. Okay? Miss Parris is always interested to see your silly art, or even your good art. All right, let's go back to doing our words and say goodbye to Miss Sylvia the monster. Sylvia the silly monster. And I'm sure you can probably still see it through that page. Let's go back and let's mark our special sounds, okay? All right. Bull in block. K in clock and duck. Bull and k. Sh, 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 sh. That's the same sh as in ship. Sh in ship. St in stop. Th in this. Th in that. Cool in clock. K in duck. Are you watching? Tur in train. Gul in glue. And sul in, I don't know if we've done sul yet. We haven't done sul unless I'll skip that. But anyway, sul is one. All right. Let's go ahead and go back and mark our vowels. Okay, there's only an O sitting here, so it's all alone. It has its happy face. Here's E, it's all alone. It has a happy face. Uh-oh, I made this circle a little too big. There's your I, and it has a happy face because it's all alone. Now let's read these three words. Bull, auk, bullock, block. Sh, ol, shell. St, ol, still. All right, now we have one that's a little trickier. Here we have the two vowels. Are they special sounds? No. They're all alone. So we actually got to mark these. Remember, first one's long, second one's silent. So now it says the, e, s. These words. These. Now there's an A all alone. What are you going to do? You're going to mark it happy. The, at, that. That is a good idea. Cool. Oh no, we have an I stuck inside there. Do you see it? It's all scrunched up inside there. But he's all alone, so what are we going to do? We're going to mark it with a happy face. It's going to say it short sound. Cool, ick, click, 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 click. Tur, you have a vowel, but it's all alone because that's not a vowel. So it says it's short sound, ah. Tur, ah, tram. Tram is kind of like a bus that takes you from one place to another. Tram. All right, let's do our last two. These are both good ones for you to know. Special sound is gul. So now you have a U and an E. Both are vowels. Two vowels. First one's long, second one's silent. Two vowels down here too. First one's long, second one's silent. Gul, oo. Gul, oo. Glue. Sul, eight. Sul, eight. Slate. It's like a chalkboard. Slate. I know you know what glue is. I don't even need to tell you. So we did all these words, and you might have been a little bit tricked at your papers. Last two papers you've done have been a little tricky, but I want you to remember, you always do your special sounds first. Then second, you do your vowels. Special sounds first, second you do your vowels. All right, I wanted to show you how to make a stuffed animal dance. Do you remember that? I bet you do, because you guys don't remember